Welcome back to the Car Updates today. We're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 Ford Maverick, Ford's latest iteration of its popular compact pickup that's been turning heads since its debut. Whether you're a truck enthusiast, a weekend adventurer, or someone just looking for a practical daily driver with a bit more capability than your average sedan or crossover, the 2026 Maverick has a lot to offer. Ford has fine-tuned this model with smarter features, refined performance, and even more comfort, all while keeping it one of the most affordable and efficient pickups on the market. Now, the Maverick has always been positioned as the urban-friendly truck. It's small enough to park in tight city streets, but strong enough to tow, haul, and get dirty when needed. For 2026, Ford hasn't radically changed the formula, but it has improved on nearly every front. The base model still starts at a price point under $25,000, which is remarkable considering how much functionality is packed in. And the lineup now includes several trims: XL, XLT Lariat, and the new TrailPro edition, each aimed at different kinds of buyers. Under the hood, the 2026 Maverick continues to offer two solid powertrain options. The standard is now a more efficient 2.0-liter EcoBoost turbocharged four-cylinder that delivers 285 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that's smooth and responsive, giving the Maverick quick acceleration whether you're merging on the highway or pulling a small trailer. For those looking to stretch every drop of fuel, there's also a revised hybrid setup, a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle four-cylinder paired with an electric motor. The hybrid system puts out a combined 205 horsepower and delivers an EPA-estimated 42 miles per gallon city and 36 miles per gallon highway, making it the most fuel-efficient pickup in North America once again. When it comes to performance, the Maverick really hits a sweet spot. It's not trying to be a heavy-duty workhorse or a Baja-blasting off-roader. It's about balance. The truck handles like a crossover, with tight steering, minimal body roll, and a surprisingly refined ride. The AWD option, now available across more trims, offers added traction for snow, gravel, or light off-roading. And thanks to Ford's tuning, the ride quality is more composed this year, with better insulation to keep road and wind noise out of the cabin. Towing capacity maxes out at 4,000 pounds with the EcoBoost and Tow package, while Payload tops out at 1,500 pounds, which is more than enough for typical home improvement runs or outdoor gear. Let's talk design. The 2026 Maverick gets a subtle refresh that keeps it looking bold and modern without losing its identity. The front end features a redesigned grille that varies by trim level, more aggressive on the Lariat, more rugged on the TrailPro, with sleeker LED headlights and a more sculpted hood. Around back, the tailgate is still one of the most functional in the segment. It has multiple locking positions and built-in tie-down points, and it opens up to the 4.5-foot FLEXBED, which is packed with thoughtful touches. You've got cubbies, D-rings, a built-in 110V power outlet, and even new slots to better organize cargo. Ford really encourages DIY customization with this bed, and for 2026 they've added new factory accessories like modular bed extenders, dividers, and even a bike rack system.